8. Greetings. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make the bed. More specifically, I will be talking about the blanket, as there are quite a few misconceptions about that part of the process. Let's get started. Here you've got the inside of the blanket, and the goal is, obviously, to put this part into the other part. But how are we gonna do that? Well, many people would say just grab the inside and shove it in there like trash into a bag.
Wrong.
There can be many things going wrong when using that technique, so I developed a superior method, which I simply refer to as the praying believer. So you grab two corners like this. Make sure it's the longer side of the blanket. Grab them like this, and then you enter this bag-like thing. And in here, you wanna align its corners with the corners of the bag, and then you can do something like this. Do some little tweaking while you're in there. And when you're done, you can slowly move out. And now, what have you got here? A blanket with two perfectly aligned corners. Now, all you gotta do is just shake the blanket a few times. 2 or 3 times should do. Then make any necessary adjustments that might need to be carried out. And then you can just seal the blanket in whichever way it is sealed. Some of them have buttons, obviously. This one has a zipper, for example. And there you have it. Your perfect blanket. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something new. And I'll see you all in the next video.
Me, 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 me.